Question 7 is virtually the same as question 6. We've been told that the probability that the mass is greater than 160 is 0.025. So 160, take away the mean, divided by the standard deviation, which is 12, is equal to, let's grab the calculator, and the backwards normal with an area of 0.975, a less than, remember, 0.975 here. A standard deviation always of 1 and a mean of 0 tells us that we are 1.96 standard deviations away from the mean. Times that by 12 and take it away from 160 gives us that the mean is 136.48 or 136.5. In part B, we're choosing 8 water voles, so x equals the number of voles greater with a mean with a mass greater than 150 grams. So with our calculator again, let's just go for a normal one. The lower, as low as we can, no, lower, sorry, is 150. Upper, as high as we can think of. Standard deviation, we were told the standard deviation was 12, and the mean is that 136 that we just figured out. And so the probability of this happening is 0.1, well, virtually exactly 0.13. So x is a binomial. There were 8 water voles, and the chance of being greater than was 0.13. We want the probability of being at least 4, so greater than or equal to 4. So we're summing from 4 to 8 here. And I've tapped all of that into the calculator and got 0.0129 for part B. Moving on to part C. Part C, we've got a hypothesis that mu is 860 is the null one, always equal here. And we're being asked, is it different from? So does it not equal 860? And we're testing at the 10% level, so I've got 5% at both ends there. The grams are normally distributed with a mean of, we just said that, 860, and a standard deviation of 85. So we've done a sample of 15, and so the mean of the mass is normally distributed 860, and this time the variance is 15 times smaller. Find the probability that the sample mean is greater than 875. I'll tap that in. So putting all of that into the calculator gives me quite a high percentage, quite a high probability, 0.247. So look, 0.247, well, it's up here somewhere, is much greater than the 5% significance. So we're going to accept H0. Not enough evidence to say that it's different.